In this video I will take this camera and shoot beautiful city nightscapes. So stick with me for a couple of minutes and I'll show you how this camera performs in a low light situation. Okay, this is a fortress of Petrovaradin, and there is no sun. I'm pretty late for the sunset, not because I arrived late today, just because the sun has changed my plans. It just hides under the low clouds and I can't see the sun anymore. Fortunately, I managed out to take some shots while I walked here, and if any of those shots turns out to be any good, here it is. How can I resist to a blue hour like this? And actually it's quite interesting why this hour called blue, because now as I can see it's kind of pinkish hour or purple hour. I don't know, but it's beautiful. This is a very popular place for evening promenade, and there are a lot of walking teenagers, couples and all that stuff, and they all having fun watching my work. Yeah, my work definitely getting a lot of attention here. So I just found a beautiful scene. This amazing flower just decided to bloom right on the fortress wall, and this is beautiful. And I just turn on my lamp to lit it up a bit. So here is my composition. This is this flower. Oops. This is that beautiful flower. Some pieces of an old bridge in the water, and I believe it looks amazing. At least it looks amazing for me. That's why I will take this shot anyway, because why hell not? Who will stop me? Now I believe it's just beautiful time to take some nice nightscapes, blue hour, and getting way more crowdy, which I don't like. Well, this is a nice place for nightscapes of this beautiful city of Novi Sad, Serbia. As a beautiful place, this place is very popular. Pretty popular place. What I love about Serbia and Serbian people, they are curious what I'm doing here, what I'm shooting, why I'm shooting. Am I shooting for myself or I have some job? Because this is very important for them. If someone is interested about their city, they are very proud of their city. And when they saw my shots, you will see it in a minute, when they saw my shots, they are showing me thumbs up, say me words of greetings and all that stuff. And it's so sweet. Yeah, it's just sweet. It's lovely. Here is the spot where I can see the tower on the fortress cliff above the water of Danube river. I can see all the reflections from the city lights in this river, and I believe this is a beautiful composition. That was a quick exercise to test my Sony a6700 in low light situation with nightscapes of the city. And you know what? I just want to tell once again, this camera is just crazy fast. It shows me the result of long exposure shots, like 30 seconds of exposure. It showed me result immediately, and this is just amazing. It blows my mind. It's just crazy fast. It seems like this camera has some issues with focusing in low light situation. I tap on the focus point and nothing happens. I managed it out with the manual focusing, but you know, it's kind of one more thing to read the manual for me. But anyway, this is a great camera. I'm really happy to have this camera during this beautiful evening. And I hope you enjoyed this short video. And if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and drop me a comment. It's very important for me and for the bloody YouTube's algorithm. And this place is really popular during the evening, as you can probably hear. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.